Hi guys, welcome to SEDDY'S world. My name is Seddy. I film about faith, food and lifestyle. And if it's your first time here, thanks for joining. If you have always watched my videos, you're welcome back. This is our baby channel and we are growing. Yeah, today the topic is businesses you can start in Africa with no income. We are going to be talking about 7 business ideas you can start in Africa. Ways you can earn money with no income. So we are just going to jump right into it. The first point is tutoring. Giving tutorials, teaching people how to do things, educating kids, educating even adults. Okay, I'm going to break this down. You are probably very good in a field, you have a degree or you are educated in that field, you're very good in mathematics, English, French, whatever the subject matter may be. How do you start this business? You give tutorials to kids. Go into your little street. I'm going to use Cameroon as an example because I am a Cameroonian and I grew up in Africa. For example, go into the little streets, tell parents, okay, I give holiday classes, or after school I give lessons to kids, and this is the fare. I'll be teaching your child from this time to this time. Create those lessons. Definitely, I promise you, parents are going to send their children to you and you're going to have a job. It's going to pay. Before you know it, if you are good at what you're doing and you're serious with what you're doing, parents will tell other parents, who will tell other friends, who will tell colleagues, and the chain just keeps going. Before you know it, you're already organizing holiday classes, you're organizing it in another level. Okay, into universities, you can give tutorials during exams. Back in the university, we used to have master students who gave tutorials. They earned money. It was like 100 francs per class or 200 francs per class per 2-hour tutorials. And in the tutorials, there are certain tutorials you see about 200 students. 200 francs times 200 students. Do the math. You will earn money from it. Give tutorials, give out classes. You don't, now the internet has made it so easy. You don't even need to make flyers or things like that. Go to your WhatsApp, go to your phone, just do it. Tutorials in geography at this time, this hall, this place. Then send it to all your WhatsApp groups. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Share in all your WhatsApp groups. Before you know it, your class is full. You are making your millions. So give tutorials. Use your brain, use your seed sense, use your common sense. It will work for you, I promise you. Also, during GCE periods, if you don't know what GCE is, GCE in Nigeria they call it JAM. In other African countries, there is just this final year exam for secondary school or high school students. Give tutorials. You'll make the money. Just follow the same chain. Forward messages, go to schools, drop flyers. I offer tutorials. Man, you'll make the money. Children are definitely going to come for you. Okay, probably the school teachers will not leave you to come and do tutorials, but I want to tell you that there are people who are studying from home. Give them tutorials. There are so many married women who are studying from home, mothers who cannot leave their children and go to school. I mean, share it. Just share. Before you know it, GCE time, your class is full. Tutorials, you're making money. That's a source of income. One. Second point, babysitting. Babysitting has money like that. You may think, okay, I've never taken care of a child. You can do it. If you know, in Africa, we don't need training or to go to school. You can babysit a child. We grow in a community where we just learn how to take care of children like that. You are able to take care of child, and if you know you have that love for children, don't go and kill somebody's child and said this, said. If you know you can take care of children, you're good with children, babysit a child. Tell this woman that you know is working, who just put to bed, auntie, I can babysit your child, or when you're going to work. Try to first go by, try to help her with the child, and you know, try to get that connection with the child. Babysit her child properly. If you're babysitting this woman's child and she's able to do things, you're babysitting her child, you go back to your house in the night. I'm not saying housemates, don't quote me, I said housemate. I did not say housemate. I say babysitting a child. Babysit that child. Probably the mother is going to work, or the mother has to go to school, or the mother just wants to rest. Like some people, you can just chill and somebody takes care of your child. Yes, people have money like that. Babysit children. By the time you're doing a good work, she's going to tell somebody who will tell somebody who will tell somebody. Before you know it, auntie, you have a daycare. It is possible. That is it. Babysit children. You don't need money to start being a babysitter in Africa. It's possible. You're hitting your millions. You're a babysitter. Don't forget me in your kingdom. Okay, another means, rent out your space. Renting out your space. When I say rent out your space, I'm like, you're like, what's happening? What do you mean by renting out your space? Rent out your room. If you live in a comfortable room, a comfortable flat, and you live in an area, let me say you live in an area like Douala, Yaoundé, you live in big cities, Lagos, you live in cities where, you know, there's always traffic, people come in, go out, people come for business, they lack a place to stay and things like that. Rent out your space. You don't need to make your room too comfortable. Just make your room clean and neat. And tell your friends to tell your friends. Send messages on WhatsApp. You don't need to pay money again to make flyers. Like I said, send messages for WhatsApp. Room to let. If people like, do a B&B, like bed and breakfast. Somebody just comes overnight, he sleeps. I understand they are hotels. I do understand. You'll be like, why can't somebody pay a hotel? I will quote you this very good example. In university areas like in Boya, in Cameroon, that's an example. During GCE marking, that's when they are marking professional exams, teachers travel from various parts of the country and go to a certain area to go and mark those exams. They need student rooms. For example, they need a student room where they can rent during the period where they are marking. They don't need to know the student. Most of the time, what used to happen was the student gives out her room and is staying with a friend for that period. So it is possible to rent out your space to people in Africa. It is very possible. You rent out your very clean apartment. For example, there are people who travel. I can live, let me say, I live here and I'm going to Africa with my family, and the town where I want to stay in, there is no hotel. I don't want to stay in a hotel with my 6 kids because I just need to get up in the morning, make breakfast. And this person has this very beautiful apartment that he or she wants to rent out. What does the person do? The person cleans out her apartment, lets it out to us, we use it and we leave. Yeah, girl, you made some money. That's your house. You don't need to pay money, or you don't need capital. You have a house, clean it, rent it out to people. The next point is a laundry and ironing service. People need people to clean their clothes. If you have never known, people do. There are some people who are really busy. They don't have time to wash clothes, they don't have time to iron clothes. They take the stress out of them. They just pay somebody to do it. People are rich like that. I, for one, if I have money, I'll pay somebody to iron my clothes. If I have money, I'll just pay iron my clothes, because ironing, we are not friends, but I love wearing iron clothes, like nice and clean, nice and fresh. Yeah, the girl likes it like that. But I will pay. If I have the money, I will pay. Why should I be sweating on an iron when I can pay? People are rich like that. Let's not diverse. People are rich like that. They can pay people to iron their clothes, do their laundry. I've seen it work. In big cities, you go go to a home, auntie, madam, I wash clothes, people pay me, fine. You wash it, and when you go to wash, just wash. Try to keep standards. Wash the clothes properly. Don't go and do anyhow there, if you know what I mean. wash the clothes, make sure the clothes are clean, properly washed. Yeah, you get paid. By the time you know it, that woman is going to retain you. What do I mean by retain you? She will call you back. Can you come and wash my clothes on these days? Before you know, you're washing her clothes twice a week, or 3 times a month, or 4 times a month, or every weekend. Now she's going to tell the next person, I don't wash clothes anymore. This person comes to my house and wash clothes. She's going to say, and these rich people, they connect. If you know what I mean, you understand. She will tell her colleague, who will tell her colleague, who will tell her friend. Then they are going to come and they are going to start calling you. Okay, you will do my laundry on Monday, you will do my laundry on Tuesday. You don't need skills. You go to their house. Some people, washing machine is not something really common in Africa. And even if you have the money to buy a washing machine, sometimes the water system may just disappoint you. You have a tap, it's not flowing, or you have another source of water, or the washing machine may not even be properly installed. You understand what I mean? People prefer to wash their clothes with their hands in Africa. Believe me or not, you don't need to work anymore. You are not able to attend to all those clients. You now employ people. People are going to be going out and doing the laundry for you and coming back, and the clients will just pay directly to you. You now pay out to the workers. You have started the laundry business. There you go. The next point is handcraft. A lot of us Africans are gifted. We know how to make things with our hands. We are very creative. If you know you have a skill that is out there that is waiting to be exploited, please come out, exploit it. Do what you know you can do. Create that thing. Put it on your phone. Sell it on WhatsApp. I mean, before you know it, you are making money. If you can make skits just with your phone and edit them, you can make it. You're gifted in making people laugh. Make skits with your phone, send them out. That's your talent. If you know you can sing, sing just with your phone. You don't need some wonderful device to start. Oh, I'm waiting that when I'll have a mic. No, just sing like that. If you know you can do people's hair and hair, that's what I'm really talking about, craft. If you know you can do people's hair, go do people's hair. Auntie, can I do your daughter's hair? Do her hair. Before you know, you're doing every child's hair in the neighborhood. You're doing their mother's hair. You are just at home doing hair. You don't need to go and open a salon. You don't need to go and open a big barber studio. Just at home, you're doing hair, doing hair. Which space do you need to start? Just start. Before you know it, the house will be too tight. Then you can now take it out there, open a big salon. You're making your money. Yeah. Okay. If your mobile phone has the camera, start YouTube. Just create your YouTube channel. If you have a Google account, you just need 2 things. Mobile phone, create your Google account, create your YouTube channel. They don't pay to join YouTube. Okay, create your YouTube channel. I know you'll be like saying, I don't know what's my niche. I don't know how to start. What should I do? See, if you're idle at home, you have a smartphone, you want to start YouTube, you don't know where to start, vlog your daily life. Get up in the morning, make videos of yourself, vlog your daily life. Okay, I just took a bath, I'm just from the toilet, I went to vlog it, post it, just keep posting. Vlog your daily life, your weekly life. You go for events, vlog them, post them. If you don't have content, vlog. I'm going to quote you guys an example. There's this Cameroonian YouTuber, Kente. She's a mom. She has 3 kids. She's a stay-at-home mom. She has a YouTube channel, My Life as I Live It. She vlogs her life from morning to evening. I want to tell you that her channel has been monetized. Her channel has been monetized. She has subscribers. She's earning money from Google. She is at home. What did she use? Her phone. You can do it. These points are not all the points that you can use to make money with zero capital. There are so many ideas and I can never exhaust them. Nobody can ever exhaust them because every day we keep getting creative. If you have any other idea I have not mentioned, please go down to the comment section, leave the idea so that somebody watching this video can go to the comment section, read and get educated. Thanks so much for watching. Please, if it's your first time, you like this video, you like the girl, please click the subscribe button and let's lift up this channel. Thanks so much, and God bless you. Have a wonderful week.